Hello dear students, today we are going to study chapter number 8, Health Hazards. So here today we are going to learn about that our health is affected by the smoke which is emitted from the vehicles which are running on the road and by the smoking habits of the people who are creating pollution by smoking cigarettes, okay, which affects too much to the lungs, okay. It affects to our health also. So here we are going to read the chapter. When you are walking on the footpath of a city, many vehicles pass by you, okay. They emit clouds of smoke which irritate your nostrils, mouths and eyes. Okay. Suppose your father is driving a motorcycle and you ride pillion, means आप पीछे बैठे हो. Your father is driving a motorcycle and you are sitting on the back side. Your father has a helmet. His face is covered with helmet, but you don't have any helmet. So you will be suffering from the smoke on the road, okay. In fact, you are inhaling the carbon monoxide from the smoke, which is very dangerous for your health. There are laws to prevent excess emission of smoke. You can get information about pollution in the environment from TV channels and newspapers. Lead content in the air is poisonous, okay. So there are strict laws requiring the garbage trucks to cover their contents and not to pollute the air, but people often breach the laws, means they break the law. There is also a law prohibiting smoke tobacco in the form of cigarettes, cigars and bidis at public place. You know, there are rules for they should not take the cigarettes, they should not smoke the cigarettes. People should not take the cigarette, or they should not smoke it in the public area. It is they have to fill the fine for the smoking of cigarettes, okay. They have to pay the fine for smoking of cigarettes. So if they will smoke it in the public area or public place, they have to pay some amount of fine, okay. Then there are another law against advertising alcoholic drinks, okay. Then both smoking and drinking of alcohol are injurious to health. Tobacco and alcohol pollute the vital organs of the body. What are the vital organs? Like lungs, kidney, okay. So these are the organs of internal part of our body which are harmed by smoking, okay. Smoking harms even those who stand by the side of the smoker, okay. Those who are standing in front of them, even they are harmed by smoking, okay. Then once a doctor asked a patient who suffered from breathing problems to blow cigarette smoke into a clean white tissue paper. The man was chain smoker. Chain smoker means he was continuously smoking from years and many years. He blew hard through 3 times. Then the doctor showed him the tissue paper. It means this is a person who is smoking regularly. But what happened? The doctor said that you give the smoke in the, see here. The man was chain smoker. He blew hard through 3 times, means in a tissue paper he blew hard, यानी उसने जोर से फूका उस पेपर पर और क्या हुआ, वो पेपर ब्लैक हो गया. The paper turned black. Why? Because in his lung there was too much of, okay, there was nicotine which is tar like, okay, tar like substance. So smoking is very injurious for the health and for the lungs also. Its chains block the windpipe of the smoker, means windpipe जो सांस लेने वाली पाइप होती है वो क्या हो जाती है, ब्लॉक हो जाती है. Then often it makes the smoker cough to get the air passage cleared, okay. So pollution caused by smoking and vehicular pollutions are similar. The vehicle pollute the environment. Smoking pollutes the internal part of our body and especially the lungs. Okay, pollution caused by smoking and vehicle pollution are the same. Okay, but the vehicle pollutes the environment. Vehicles, गाड़ियों से क्या होता है? Vehicles means गाड़ियों से क्या होता है? पूरा environment खराब होता है. But the person who smokes, उसके पूरी इंटरनल पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी, यानी उसके पूरी बॉडी पार्ट को इफेक्ट करता है, स्पेशली लंग्स को. A smoking person is like a chimney that belches out from the furnace of the factory. But the chimney stands still at one place. Chimney क्या है? Chimney is a place where too much of smoke, like it's a factory, like bakery. In the bakery, what happened? Cakes and other breads are baked, but it stands in one place. But the smoker emits carbon monoxide wherever he or she smokes. जो स्मोकर होता है वो जहाँ जाता है वो स्मोकिंग करेगा, वहाँ पर वो क्या करेगा? कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड फैलाएगा. बट चिमनी जो है वो एक ही जगह होती है, खड़ी होती है और एक ही जगह फैलाएगी. बट द स्मोकर इट स्प्रेड्स एवरीवेयर वेयर ही गोज. ऑल सिगरेट पैकेट्स कंटेन द वार्निंग. क्या वार्निंग होती है कि स्मोकिंग इज़ इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ, यानी स्मोकिंग जो है वो हेल्थ के लिए बहुत हानिकारक होती है. येट पीपल टेक टू स्मोकिंग knowing very well that danger it poses to their precious life, यानी उनकी प्रीशियस लाइफ, कीमती जो लाइफ है उनकी कीमती, उस पर बहुत बुरा असर करती है. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट पेज. द टोबैको इंडस्ट्री अर्न्स crores of rupees. टोबैको मीन्स व्हाट? तम्बाकू. तम्बाकू की जो इंडस्ट्री है वो करोड़ों रुपए कमाती है. इफ पीपल डू नॉट स्मोक इट विल नॉट मेक ह्यूज प्रॉफिट. अगर स्मोकिंग नहीं करेंगे लोग तो क्या होगा? वो ह्यूज प्रॉफिट नहीं कमा पाएंगे. देयरफॉर इट विल श्योरली सी दैट यंग पीपल पिक अप द हैबिट ऑफ स्मोकिंग. इन द मॉरल ड्यूटी ऑफ द पेरेंट्स एंड टीचर्स टू सी. ये क्या किसकी ड्यूटी है? ये पेरेंट्स और टीचर्स की ड्यूटी है कि ये देखा जाए कि बच्चों को अनहेल्दी हैबिट्स, जो स्मोकिंग की अनहेल्दी हैबिट है वो नहीं होनी चाहिए. एंड यूज़ ऑफ अल्कोहल. अल्कोहल मीन्स जो शराब होती है, अल्कोहल इज़ वेरी बैड फॉर द हेल्थ. इट इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट गुड. एंड मोस्ट यंग पीपल थिंक दैट स्मोकिंग इज़ अ साइन ऑफ ग्रोन अप पीपल. बहुत से जो बच्चे होते हैं, बहुत से लोग बच्चे होते हैं, यंग एज के बच्चे होते हैं, वो क्या सोचते हैं कि जो स्मोकिंग है वो बहुत अच्छी साइन है कि हम बड़े हो गए हैं और हम स्मोकिंग कर सकते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट राइट. यंग मैन थिंक इट इज़ कूल टू बी सीन स्मोकिंग एंड द यंग लेडीज थिंक दैट स्मोकिंग इज़ अ साइन ऑफ लिबरेशन. बच्चे क्या सोचते हैं? हम बहुत अच्छे दिख रहे हैं, हम स्मार्ट लग रहे हैं स्मोकिंग करते हुए. और यंग लेडीज़ क्या सोचती हैं लड़कियां कि हम अब आज़ादी की लाइफ जिएंगे, अब हम बड़े हो गए. फ्रॉम द कस्टम ऑफ सोसाइटी. Being cool and liberated are not reason for destroying one's health. It means आप cool दिखो और liberated दिखो, इसके लिए अपनी लाइफ को खतरे में डालने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. लाइफ को डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं करना चाहिए because of to see the people that we look cool and liberated. Okay, it is not so. It badly smoking badly affects to your health and body also. As soon as a person who is smoking come closer to others, they feel disgusted of the foul odor that comes from the person's mouth. It means जो लोग ये स्मोकर के पास आते हैं, जो उनके पास खड़े होते हैं, उन्हें इतनी गंदी स्मेल आती है कि वो उनके पास खड़े भी नहीं रहना चाहते. Even socially the person is alienated from others. Then smoking invites serious disease like asthma, tuberculosis and cancer. Smoking से कौन सी बीमारियां होती है? अस्थमा, tuberculosis and cancer. But a person which is strong willpower can definitely leave this bad habit. लेकिन जिनकी विल पावर अच्छी होती है वो इस गंदी आदत से, बैड हैबिट से बाहर निकल के ठीक हो सकते हैं. ओके, इट इज़ नॉट वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू लीव द बैड हैबिट्स. ओके, इफ़ वी विल ट्राई, देन if the person who is smoking, if he tries, he will come out of this bad habit. Okay, and there is a pledge of anti-smoking pledge it is. So here we will read the pledge. We believe in the purity of our body. We believe in keeping our body clean. We promise to keep away from all that will pollute our body. We pledge today to grow into healthy citizens. We shall not be influenced to use drugs or drinks. We pledge that we shall never take to smoking. We shall persuade our elders to give up smoking for their good as well as for the good of others. So dear student, this is the anti-smoking pledge. So this also you must write it in your copies after writing the exercise part. Okay. So dear students, the explanation of this chapter number 8 is over today, and you must read the chapter carefully and understand it properly. Okay, thank you.